Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I'd like to share with you my upcoming online class for January 2022. I can't believe it is already 2022. In this class, we will be learning how to use watercolor pencils by creating 6 handmade cards. Each card will have a new technique, so you will learn 6 different ways to use the pencils. I have made 3 different versions of these cards. The stamp sets I will be using include some new sets that will be available on January 4th. They are the Blessings of Home Bundle and the Honeybee Home Bundle. I will also be making a set using the Hand-Penned Petals Bundle, which is still available in the annual catalog and you can purchase now. You get to choose which stamp sets you want to use. You could also use a stamp set that you may already have. You will want to find one that is good for coloring and has beautiful lined images of flowers. Maybe one image is a grouping of flowers while another is a single flower image. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and use the PayPal button. The direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out. So here are the 3 stamp sets that I will be creating the cards in for this class. Hand-Penned Petals, Honeybee Home, Blessings of Home. And these 2 stamp sets will be available on January 4th to customers. I will go ahead and share the cards with you and then separate them into their specific sets. I love how each one is different and has a different feeling, but they all have that nice soft feeling that is achieved with those beautiful watercolor pencils. I love these cute little bees that are in the Honeybee Home set. They have beautiful, nice, soft colors and the gorgeous designer series paper. Here is card number 5. And then we've got card number 6. I am changing the schedule of my classes a little this year and will be having a session every day for a full week, Monday through Saturday. The class will run from January 24th through the 29th, 2022. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $30 and is paid through PayPal. You do not need to have a PayPal account to pay. You can register and sign up through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link again is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, January 8th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial-only option. In this kit, you will receive pre-cut cardstock, envelopes, a new package of the Pearl Basic Jewels, a new roll of linen thread, a full pack of the Heart and Home doilies, 6x6 sheets of Heart and Home Designer Series paper, 1 linen paper, and 1 sheet of watercolor paper. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the designs. I will also be offering a cardstock only kit for $15. If you are interested in making more sets of cards, you can purchase as many cardstock only kits as you would like. However, they can only be purchased along with 1 full kit. Please make sure to add this option to your PayPal cart before checking out. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will need one of these bundles or another of your choice. They are hand-penned petals, and remember to also get the dies that coordinate, which are the penned flower dies. The Blessings of Home stamp set and the Flowers of Home dies, or the Honeybee Home stamp set and the Honeybee Bloom dies. You will also need some watercolor pencils, and Stampin' Up! Offers 2 different assortment packs. You can get assortment 1 or assortment 2, and both will work. And I've made my cards in both, so you can see the different examples for that. You will want your water painters or a paintbrush and some water, StazOn ink and cleaner, as well as cinnamon cider and garden green ink pads. Here are the tools you will need: a paper trimmer, your Stampin' Cut and emboss machine, ribbon or fabric scissors, paper snips, bone folder, your favorite adhesive such as dimensionals, Stampin' Seal, glue dots, and liquid adhesive, clear blocks, and a stamp cleaner. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time, each day during the week of January 24th. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will send you a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye!